Hello everyone. Today in this video, let's explore key components of access control systems like key fobs, access cards, and pin pads. These elements play crucial roles in securing facilities and ensuring that only authorized individuals can gain access. So let's get started. So this is a key fob. It is a small portable device that users carry on their keychains or in their pockets. It typically contains a radio frequency identification RFID chip or a similar technology that communicates with access control readers. So when you approach an access control reader with your key fob, the reader scans the RFID signal emitted by the fob. If the signal matches the credentials stored in the system, the door or entry point unlocks. And this is an access card. It is a flat credit card sized item that also contains an RFID chip or a magnetic stripe. These cards are often used in business environments and are easily carried in wallets or card holders. To use an access card, simply swipe or tap it against a card reader. The reader then verifies the card's credentials against the system to grant or deny access. So if you don't have an access card, PIN pad is always there, so you can just enter the personal identification number to gain access. It serves as an alternative or complement to physical access cards and key fobs. Users enter the unique PIN on the keypad. The PIN is then verified by the access control system. If the entered PIN matches the stored credentials, access is granted. Many modern access control systems are designed to support multiple types of credentials. This flexibility allows organizations to use key fobs, access cards, and PIN pads in combination, enhancing both security and convenience. Whether you are using a small key fob, a credit card-sized access card, or entering a PIN, each method offers unique advantages and can be tailored to meet specific security needs. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has helped clarify how these essential components of access control work together to keep your environment secure. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to reach out to us.